Well, here it is. This is an SL350, and it kicks over. It doesn't start up, but it kicks around. It's not frozen, and this is a junkyard find. So I'm going to fix this bike up. It's a pretty nice bike. Look at that thing. That's really nice. That's a real nice bike. It's really nice, actually. I'm going to wash it up here with the power washer, and I'm going to see what happens, and we're going to see. Running.
All right.
All right, Zoe, get out of the way.
Where's this?
Watch out.
Where?
Do I still hold that and somebody in a kind of van
Well, I'm going to wait a while, then I'm going to put some degreaser on it. But that's about the best I could do right now. But with the degreaser, it's going to make a big difference. And I wish I had hot water. That would make a big difference too. But you know what? This is my dream bike. I want to put a 19-inch front wheel on it and street tires, and I go camping. I could go all over the country on this bike. Go everywhere. It's light. Then you just hike out into the woods and you can sleep out in the woods. Don't have to pay the motel fees all the time. I like sleeping in the woods. But that's what this bike would be, is my dream bike. I dreamt about this for quite a few years, and all of a sudden I found one in a junkyard, and he had a title for it. So this was his bike years ago. Well, those don't look like stock coils. Those blue things under there, doesn't look stock. But it might need new coils. It's going to need a headlight bucket. I have different tack and speedometer, but the tack is there. And it has nice pipes. But down here, look at this mess. See how this is broken? Look at that. Whoop. Look at that. See how that's broken? What I'm going to do, he just stuck that on there. I'm just going to have to weld it. Take a hammer and beat it down and weld it. Need to do something about getting a cap for one of these. Toolbox is awful nice to have. And now be definitely has to go, and I'm going to drive it a while before I put that 19-inch front wheel on it. See, there's a tack. So I have a speedometer. I need all this stuff needs to be replaced here. But I have throttle housing sitting here, a bunch of junk. Finally get to use my junk. But this would be a real nice bike, repainted. Wouldn't take too much work to get it going. Look at this. It has compression. Look at that. Good compression. Sounds good. Didn't hear anything like the valves leaking or anything. I'm looking way in there. It doesn't look like there's any rust.